Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've done a BOXYCHARM video. I have still been receiving my BOXYCHARMs, but quite honestly, after the first BOXYLUXE release, I was kind of a little burnt out on BOXYCHARM. I was one of the many people that didn't get the BOXYLUXE. And quite frankly, after I started seeing people posting what they got in it, I was kind of happy I didn't get it because it really didn't have a lot of stuff that impressed me. There was maybe like one thing that I would have been excited to get, and I think that was the Park Avenue Princess palette. But anyways, I decided to not cancel my subscription just because of that. But the boxes that we'd received since then hadn't really interested me much as far as like wanting to do a look. It was all very basic stuff. Now, mind you, I use a lot of the stuff that I get. It's just stuff that I usually don't find very interesting for a video, so I just haven't been filming them. However, if you guys want me to go back to filming the BOXYCHARM videos, I can, whether it's just as an unboxing or an unboxing and try on. I feel like a lot of the palettes either have been very neutral or very similar to something I already have. So sometimes I've just been giving them away to friends of mine without using them, but you guys let me know. I can always just do a unboxing style, which is kind of what I'm planning on doing today because I got the December BOXYLUXE. So I figured because I haven't received a BOXYLUXE before, I thought it would be fun to unbox it for you guys. And you guys can let me know in the comments below if you even care to keep seeing these videos. You probably see a ton of them, so you may not care at all. But if you want to keep seeing them, let me know. Maybe I won't do the BOXYCHARM anymore, but maybe I'll keep doing the BOXYLUXE as long as I decide to keep the subscription. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep BOXYLUXE yet. I haven't decided, but in case you are curious, this is an additional $28 on top of what you're already paying, which is $21 a month. So it better be worth it. Otherwise, I won't be keeping it. This thing is really heavy though, and it has like battery warning on the back of it. So my husband was like, what on earth is that? So let's go ahead and get into it. I do already have my makeup on. I do know that there's a palette in here, so I'm probably not going to do a look with it. But if I remember correctly, it's a neutral palette. So, you know, probably would have looked like this, just a neutral eye look. So this is really just going to be an unboxing, not so much a try on. If there's something in here like a lip product, I'll try on. So, okay, so the first thing I see in here is the Spongel Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. And it smells really nice. Let me open this up so I can get prices. So this retails for $20. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. I'm actually interested in trying this out. I do love bath stuff, so that's really cute. It's like a little star. It looks like a loofah. I don't know if you can see the texture, but it's basically just a loofah. It has a really nice scent to it. I will be happy to use that, try it out. It does say it's a multi-use, so I guess you just keep on using it until the soap's gone or it like looks like it needs to be tossed out. All right, so next thing, I believe, yep, this is the flat iron. So you had the option with the BOXYLUXE between this and another palette. I chose the flat iron. My hair is very short. I could use a tiny little travel flat iron, so this was perfect for me, and I really just didn't want another palette that I probably wasn't going to use. So it comes in this nice little heat protected case. Let's see what color I got, because that was supposed to be a surprise. Whoa, lime green. But I really like this. So I personally love these tiny little flat irons. I have one right now in my gym bag, but it's small enough that you can do little curls with them. Now granted, they are going to be very small looking curls, but for me with my hair type, if you have a pixie or if you have a bob, it's perfect to do like the quick little flat ironing. I recently cut my bangs, so this is perfect for that too. And then again with curls, I currently use this when I do my hair curly. The front of my hair never curls the way I want it to, so usually I'll just do this and curl away from the face and just kind of do it like a slow drag down. And it gives it a perfect looking curl and it blends in nicely with my hair and I love it. So super happy about this. Let's see how much this cost. Holy crap, this is $75. I don't know that I would have paid $75 for that, but I'm glad I have it. Okay, this is some sort of makeup bag, I guess. Let's open it up. This is the Glam AF makeup bag, I guess. And maybe a charger? So it's just, on the inside it has a little divider. I don't even know if you can see that because it's black, but there's like a little divider on either side here. It says Glam AF. Let's see what this is and what this is. This looks like a charger, like a battery or something. Okay, so this is from the brand Crimes of Beauty. It is the wristlet with portable charger, okay? And it says the portable charger is compatible with iPhone and Android devices and can be recharged through any USB port so that you'll never miss an email or Instagrammable moment again. Pretty cool. And it says this retails for $22. And it says Crimes of Beauty on the charger. That's pretty cool. Interesting, okay. So I'm kind of glad that I went ahead and did my makeup because a lot of the stuff in here is not really try-on stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the next thing that I wouldn't be trying on anyway. So this is from the brand LMS Elemis. It is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So let me see what the price is on this. This is $89. Holy crap. That's a lot. So this is supposed to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Nice. A potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo biloba, rose, and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. It's the ultimate anti-aging cream to leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. So definitely interested in trying this out. It says to use after toning before applying primer and foundation to give your makeup a flawless, healthy looking finish. So I'm actually really excited about this because skincare is really expensive. So I always love it when we get skincare in the box because it's a great bang for your buck. What else do we got? I feel like I'm unwrapping Christmas presents. All right, so now I've got a palette. This is from Wander Beauty. It's the Wanderous Dusk to Dawn palette. It's a blush and highlighter palette. And I'd seen this in some of the previews, so I was interested to try it. I don't necessarily understand why it's such skinny little pans like that, like for getting your brush into, but they look like they're pretty colors. I think I'm gonna really enjoy the blushes though. I kind of sheared them out a little bit, but hopefully you can kind of get a gist of what they look like. I mean, I feel like doing a harsh blush swatch doesn't make sense because you're gonna shear it out on your cheeks anyways. I really like that first shade because it has a little sheen to it. I'm just gonna take this little brush right here into Tuscan Sunrise, which is the kind of shimmery blush shade. I'm just gonna tap a little bit over the top. I definitely like this. I will get use out of it. And that blush and highlighter palette retails for $26. All right, so the next item in the box is from LORAC. It's a mascara. It's a dual-ended mascara that's got a primer on one side and a mascara on the other. It retails for $24. So it has a blue primer side. Ooh. It's got a little blue triangle on the side and it's got blue on the end so you know. And then a black mascara. I'm not sure how I feel about this wand. I usually go for a thicker wand personally, but I will give it a try. Maybe I'll try to do it in one of my next videos. I'll just mention like this is from the box and I will try it out. Let's see, here's something I could put on now. This is from Tarte. It's one of their Tartest shimmering lip paints. Let's see. This retails for $20 and it's supposed to be a sheer lip gloss. Okay, I'm glad it's a lip gloss because I really didn't want another metallic liquid lipstick. Oh, and that's a pretty color. What color did I get? I got the color Flaming Hot. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on and see what it looks like. That's a really pretty color. I like that it's a bit more subtle on the lips. I feel like it's really wearable, but you still get that fun iridescent shimmer in there. These things smell incredible. It smells like hot cocoa. My only complaint would be that the applicator really doesn't pick up a lot of the product, so I really had to keep dipping back in to get any kind of color payoff, but this is a beautiful color. I love it. It's really pretty gloss. We are getting down to the end here. So this was one that I was definitely excited for. This is the Luxie Complete Face Set brushes. Very nice. This retails for $65, and I really do like Luxie brushes. I like that you get this nice little set like this. I'll take this out so you guys can see it without the glare. They really do have a strong smell, either that or it's this plastic, but I'll wash them, so. Okay, so this is what the brush set looks like. So you can see all the different styles of brushes. I feel like this is a really great value. I like this brush. I think I'm gonna like this one for contour. It seems like you can just use this as a brush stand afterwards. It's got like a little bit of silicone, like a gripper right here, so that you can keep popping them back in. Yeah, this will be nice. All right, so the last item in the box is a palette. It is this palette right here from Violet Voss. This is the My Holy Grail palette. It looks like this on the inside. Reminds me a lot of Modern Renaissance, if you ask me, like an extended version of Modern Renaissance, which I'm not complaining about because I think those are beautiful colors. I think these are very beautiful tones. I've never tried Violet Voss shadows before, so I am really excited to try this out. So I'm kind of like, I wish I would have left time to do a look, but I didn't, and I just really wanted to get this out for you guys. And of course, I already have my eyes done. Maybe I'll do like a holiday look or something and use this, because I think doing like a really pretty cranberry eye with this would be really beautiful. Let's see, this retails for $45. So definitely a good value in this box. I'm excited to try this out. So like I said, maybe I'll try to film a holiday look coming up soon with like cranberry colors, and I can use this, and maybe I can use this lip gloss again too. So it can be just like featuring BOXYLUXE products. So yeah, let me total all these up and see how much we actually got in this box. Okay, so I just totaled up the box and everything in here was $386 total. So that definitely makes it worth it. It was like what, $45, $46 total for me to buy the BOXYLUXE subscription. So $386, that's definitely worth it. And I'm very happy with everything in this month or this quarter's BOXYLUXE box. I wasn't super happy with everything I saw in the first BOXYLUXE, but this one I'm definitely impressed with. So hopefully they will continue to be really awesome boxes like this. I am gonna go ahead and keep my BOXYCHARM subscription, and so I will also keep the BOXYLUXE subscription. So you guys let me know in the comments below, do you wanna see me go back to unboxing my regular BOXYCHARMs each month and also do BOXYLUXE when I get it during that particular month, because that's quarterly? Or do you only wanna see BOXYLUXE, because I'm okay with doing that too? Or do you not want to see any BOXYCHARM videos at all because they're very overdone? I'm okay with that. I like getting the products for my own personal collection, so I don't have to unbox them, but if you guys enjoy seeing it, then I'll keep doing it. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you do want me to keep doing these BOXYCHARM unboxings. Would you rather me do something like I did today, where I just am unboxing all the products and, you know, maybe swatching a couple of things? Or would you rather me go back to the ones I used to do where I would actually try on all the products that I could, like do an eyeshadow look and that kind of thing? So you guys let me know. This is totally up to you. I don't want to put out videos that you guys aren't interested in, so you let me know what you want to see in the comments below. But as far as my opinion goes on this box, I'm super happy with it. I love this box. Definitely very, very happy with all the products. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.